Guys, sometimes in life, when you try to do good, it is just ridiculous that some people are out there and they are seeing you trying to do good because God give you something to do or impress upon your heart to do something for someone else, and then you are trying to do it, and there are some people out there that is so bad mind, guys, so bad mind, so grudgeful, so hateful, that they will do anything, anything at all to stop you from doing good. Guys, I am replaying this video because last night I was checking out my YouTube studio and I saw where my video was flagged. You see, I just recently got monetized on YouTube. I've been on YouTube over here on this with this channel, and I recently got monetized, and I'm so grateful for that. I'm so grateful to all of you guys who've watched the videos and all that, and helped me to get monetized. But guys, even though you guys watch and help me to get monetized, there are people out there that full of hatred, like full of hatred, and they will do anything to stop you, especially when you're doing something good. So last night when I was going through my YouTube studio, I saw on this video, normally when I put up the videos on YouTube, I put them in private first so YouTube can check it, check the videos to make sure that there are no restrictions on the video. So I did exactly that. This video have been up for 2 days, guys, 2 days, and there was no restriction on the video. The video was completely okay. So when I checked in studio last night, I saw I'm being demonetized on this video. Whenever time your video is not getting any ads or whatever, it had to have this red thing, the red money sign. So I click on it and I was reading up and I was saying, how is this possible? How is it possible that my video is not eligible for ads, and the video was already passed by YouTube, that there were no restriction on it? So I said, no man, this can't be. And then I go check it out and I realized that it was flagged. And I'm like, what is this? So I said, if it was already passed by YouTube that it was okay, 2 days after, almost the third day, that's when it was flagged, that can't right. So I sent in for them to review it. Guys, when I sent in for YouTube to review the video, this morning my husband went on YouTube studio and he saw where it was reviewed, and and they are now monetizing the video again. Can you imagine that somebody really, really went and reported the video to YouTube? Like, why would somebody do that? All I'm doing in this video, all my husband and I are doing in this video, is trying to help Mr. John who needs the help. And someone really went and reported the video. It's just ridiculous, guys, like really ridiculous. And I must apologize, guys, for my voice. It's because I'm hoarse. You all know that I'm sick. I did say it in the video yesterday that I got wet in the rain, and the result from that, sorry, I'm sick and I'm hoarse. But, God is good. Yes, guys, so that's what happened to the video. I was like really shocked, because I made sure, once I got monetized, I made sure, absolutely sure, to put the videos in private before I put them on public. And even if I forget that I am, to put them in private, YouTube always send a notification to say, are you sure you want to public the video before, checking, before it is being checked? So I would always put it for private before it's you guys can see it. So I didn't have a problem with the video until that person did what that person did. And I don't have any hard feelings against the person who did it. I'm just saying that the person who did it, that's not nice, that's not nice, because what we are trying to do, not just me and my husband alone, but all the other individuals on YouTube that are helping Mr. John, what we are trying to do is just help Mr. John, So don't do that, man. Don't do that. if it's something that is touching you and you feel guilty, or it's just bad mind, or I don't know, whatever the situation is, don't do that. It's not nice. Because remember that whatever you do, God is seeing you. I don't know who you are, who did it. I don't know. But God knows. God sees everything you do. God sees everything we do. So it's the best thing for us when we are doing stuff, to be honest. And if you have a problem with the video, it's best if you don't watch it. But don't do stuff like those, because you know what? I guess whoever did it didn't know that I could request for YouTube to review the video. And the fact that YouTube already passed the video, that the video had no restrictions, it wouldn't be a problem for them to quickly, you know, put it back up for monetization, because I saw it last night and in the morning it was already back. You know, so you see, when the devil is trying his own thing, God is just doing his thing. You know, so I am grateful that the video is good again. It's not flogged. Sorry. I'm glad that the video is okay and all of that. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching and so much for supporting Mr. John. Mr. John is grateful. Let me tell you something. Some people don't understand, you know. Some people have never faced hunger before. Some people have never been hungry before. Can you imagine you're hungry and you don't know where the food is going to come from? You don't know, guys. Oh my goodness. You don't know where the food is coming from. You don't know if somebody going to give you a plate of food, nothing. And then God finally, after probably you're praying, and God say, okay, it's your time now. And God use somebody, because whatever is going on, guys, it is not my doing. It is not my husband's doing. It is not you guys doing either. It is God. You understand? Because if God didn't provide for all the donors couldn't provide for Mr. John. You understand? So God allow us to do good deeds. And the good deeds that we're doing, some people is not going to appreciate it. And that's just people. That is just people. We can't stop people from doing what they want to do. But like I was saying a while ago, sometimes when you are hungry and you do not know where the food is coming from, and then finally God provide that food for you, where someone can give you food every evening where you did food that you didn't have. You know how good that person feels? You know how good that person feels? And if this is a platform where the video can get some views so people can help Mr. John, guys, please do not flog the video. It is wrong. It is wrong. I do not appreciate that. And I know a lot of you guys are not going to appreciate that, because this is just wrong. Mr. John needs the help. And people are helping. When you try and report the video has nothing wrong in it. There is no restriction on the video. And when you try and report the video, or when you report the video to YouTube, come on, what are you trying to tell people? Don't help people? You know, you're not going to stop me. You're not going to stop me, because God is the one who is allowing me to do this. And all the donors, God is the one allowing them to do it. So you cannot stop any of us. Like I said before, I don't hate the person who did it. I have no hard feelings against the person who did it. I'm just saying what you did was wrong. And please don't do it again, because God is seeing you. Thanks, guys, for watching. And yeah, I just had to clear that up, because I was feeling so bad, you know, just to know that somebody really went and did this, you know, after we are all here trying to help Mr. John. Yes, guys, I also got some information. Miss Linda, I hope I'm calling is it Miss Belinda or Miss Linda? She just called me and she was giving me some ideas where I can create a GoFundMe for Mr. John, and whoever else I, you know, decide to, or whoever else God allows me to find to help. We can create a GoFundMe for that person, because they're saying it is hard for her and others who want to donate and they don't know how to. So I am going to try and do that, guys, and just continue to pray for me and my husband, and for all the donors. Guys, pray, because when you try to do things, the devil is going to try and put himself into everything that God people does. So we just have to pray for each other, and we can do this. We can do it. We can do it. Even if your contribution is just praying, that is the best thing. I'm telling you, it's the best thing. So thanks for all the love, all the support. I see the comments, guys. Some comments I can't respond to because there's so much comments, but I'm gonna take my time and I'm gonna go through the comments and stuff. Sometimes I just give a love heart, but when I have it, the time, I go back and comment. Oh my goodness, I'm feeling so horrible right now, guys. Yeah. But yes, thanks for watching and supporting. Love you guys. Love you guys so much. Have a wonderful rest of the day and God bless you all. Bye bye. I begin to I begin You're mine for sure.